Hello, guys, and welcome to another video at Voice of Crypto. And I hope you guys are making the most out there with your trades. So, though, don't forget to join Voice of Crypto Telegram group if you want to be on top of crypto news and everything that is going on in Web3 and more. Before we get into any content, I would love to remind the financial disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and every investment comes with risk, so you must do your own market research. With that said, let's go to today's topic. Will Solana hit 200 this week? That's what everybody wants to know. So let's have a look on Solana first of all, and then we are going to have a look on Solana TA as well. And overall, it is an interesting, great project. We all know that. And once more, if you are investing in things that have actual utility in today's world, projects that are moving and doing physical things as well, it is very, very interesting. So Solana is currently down 3.98% on a daily, currently trading at 187.11. Okay, so we saw a drop on a market cap of 3.96% on the past momentum, and the volume has gone down 10.95%. Let's have a look on the TA side to find a great, interesting entry opportunity. However, if you are trading Solana already, I wouldn't touch it. I would just let it run. And if you are holding, I would just, not financial advice, of course, but I would definitely hold until the all-time high, because I think and I believe Solana is definitely going to flip this resistance, which is somewhere around here. Let me remove this box for you so you don't get confused. That's currently the 4-hourly candlestick graph at Solana. We had this bearish divergence a little bit, but if you look into the arrow side, which is a very strong momentum indicator, it is currently going sideways. So let's have a look on the daily to see what is the best moment to enter. So it might not be yet. What you want to do, you go to 1 hour time frame or 4-hour time frame, token on a trading perspective, okay, and you want to enter the next top. But remember, it could break even. So what you want to do, go to 1 hour, wait for the best momentum and enter. We are currently at 186.91. It is literally at 200. So I'm very, very confident about Solana hitting 200 USDT this week, and it could potentially go higher. If we measure the previous pump, that's the daily, okay? Don't get desperate. That could be sort of a bull flag. Let me draw it for you so you will understand. For me, like on my point of view, all right, on my opinion, this is defo a bull flag on a daily. That will lead Solana somewhere around 260, okay? And I would personally just let it run, add your stop loss and let it run to the upside, because remember, once this smaller coins start moving, they move really, really heavy, and this is clearly a bull flag. I will leave it here so we can just track our trades. And going to the new side a little bit, what will happen with Solana if Bitcoin breaks 100K? Bitcoin halving has sparked an excitement for a potential surge in its value, with expect historic high. So these predictions money wonder how altcoins like Solana will be affected. As Bitcoin inches towards the anticipated milestone, the impact of SOL price is a topic growing interest. Our analysis delves into the possible outcomes for this vibrant cryptocurrency in the shadow of Bitcoin climb. Blast up, pre-sell a Bitcoin of predictably in the volatility crypto space. Buying pre-sold tokens might be a good idea, as they are immune to market wild swings, with their price pinned to a certain level. Predictably, It is one of the key benefits of a pre-sale project such as Blast Up, not financial advice, okay? Blast Up is the first launch pad on a Blast, the only layer 2 solution with native yield for Ethereum as and stable coins. In just few months of the pre-sale, this platform has already raised over 3 million, which sparks much for its wide reconnection among saving investors. The 50 stage of the Blast Up tokens pre-sale is on the way, offering a decent chance to invest in a promising asset at the low price. Currently, the token price is 14% lower than its future listing price, so now is the most opportune moment to join the pre-sale. Those who buy Blast Up tokens at this stage gain exclusive access to an airdrop, distributing a portion of free tokens. Besides, they can get an extra reward towards staking and participating in the tier IDO launches. Blast Up is committed to fostering a robust community with the Blast ecosystem, where everyone benefits from mutual growth. With ambitious plan to become an AI and Web3 2, Blast Up aims to create a truly rewarding and safe environment for smooth dApps launches. So basically, it's a platform that is going to empower dApps as well. Blast Up's it is on the rise, filling crypto startups with the community first vibe and innovation as at its heart. It is quickly becoming to the go-to hub in the Blast ecosystem. With big plans through 2026, Blast Up it is about to shake up the crypto scene. So get on board before the rocket ship takes off without you. So this kind of projects, you have to do your own market research and due diligence before investing. But we all know the massive opportunity it is before going live into the market. Okay, so do your own research. Going back to Solana rises 83% in a month. Caution advised. Solana recent 1 month rise of 83.07% suggests strong momentum, but traders should be aware of potential pullbacks. Its 6 month surge of 895.35%, it's massive, indicates substantial interest, showing that it could continue to attract investors. The current price of Solana is somewhere around 190.52, sits above both the 10-day and the 100-day moving average, possibly signaling more upside. However, the price falls below the 10-day SMA at 184.96. It could push towards the support at 160.87. So if you haven't entered, you might just want to keep your eyes on what is actually happening right now. If we don't play out on a bull flag, as I mentioned, you could potentially get a better price, which is both seems a probability. I don't really feel that is going to happen. But however, despite the optimism, the gap between the current price and the 100-day SMA of the 116.80 might point to the overextension. The long-term Solana all-time high of 267.52 suggests room for growth, but reaching the level again could be challenging as sustained increase might rely on a continuous positive developments and investors' confidence. Watch the nearest resistance at 192.72 and the second resistance level somewhere around 209.73 for signs of continued stretch of potential ceiling. In conclusion, while Solana and other altcoins demonstrate varying degrees of promise in the light of Bitcoin potential ascendance past 100K, Blast Up it stands out with an unparalleled potential. Its integration with the Blast ecosystem and the innovative concept backing it bolsters its appeal with the law of the pre-sale benefits and an ongoing commitment to AI and Web3 for smooth steps rollouts. Blast App is not just following the cryptocurrency, it is poised to set a new course for the market future. Joining the Blast App journey now can lead into significant rewards as this project continues to captivate an attention of the investment community. And here are the community and website. So if you are interested in this project, go ahead and always remember to read the white paper and make your own decisions. But with that said, let's move on to the Bitcoin charts. So Bitcoin seems to be holding somewhere around 70,200 USD, and I remain bullish on the Bitcoin price. We have a couple of reasons, as I mentioned yesterday. Once more, BlackRock is holding. We have these massive corporations and institutions entering Bitcoin as the Ethereum ETF is about to get accepted in the United States and also the London Exchange Commission. So if we have this Ethereum ETF approved also with the Bitcoin, I believe we're going to break even because the majority of people will drop money into Bitcoin because they use Coinbase and they use this, whatever apps these people and institution have. Okay. So I am expecting Bitcoin to flip this area anytime soon. And the time is coming. It is imminent. So if you haven't entered any long position yet, actually, I would just wait a little bit to a better place, go to the 1 hour time frame and see a better entry for you. And if you are on a long position since 62,000 USD, I would personally, not financial advice, but I'm currently holding and I will just hold because I think Bitcoin is going to break even and come to somewhere around 80,000 USDT. Everybody's going to be shocked and I'm going to show you why in a second. So let's move on to the Ethereum. Ethereum is very, very correlated to BTC and is currently trading at 3,579.92. It is going sideways. So it is right here, a little bit different than Bitcoin. It is an interesting entry if you haven't entered Ethereum yet. So be prepared to enter, because Ethereum is going to move further, and we are also expecting the Ethereum ETF to come up. Okay, and at some point Ethereum has to flip Bitcoin as it's a very, very strong ecosystem. Moving over to our past trade at the WorldCoin USDT, is currently trading at 890, and I'm reminding bullish until the top. Okay, so we're looking for the next resistance to break even somewhere around 11.96. And, right now you got to be patient, let the trade work for you. Going back to the Bitcoin halving, what we can expect. So we are 24 days, 7 hours and 45 minutes from the Bitcoin halving. And I think this momentum, we should definitely stick to our TA. Not financial advice once more, but I would personally not sell or buy the news or do any humor thing. I will just wait to the volatility to kicks in, and we're definitely going to share with the community, what I'll be doing personally. But this is a massive opportunity if you have missed the Bitcoin bottom. Talking on a long term, not on a trading side. If you want to buy Bitcoin, this is definitely your opportunity. Because after this drop, I don't think that we are going to see lower prices on a Bitcoin at all, as we are definitely back to the bull run. And, if you missed Bitcoin, you will have a next opportunity. So will we hit 4K or lower levels? I am not sure. Okay, that's something that nobody knows. We have to watch. But if you miss Bitcoin, like if you could manage to buy at least at 40,000 to hold again to 150K or even further, that's a great opportunity for you. And here is some interesting comment from a couple of traders trading Bitcoin halving. 3 trades share their thoughts. Trying to trade the Bitcoin crypto market while you wait for Bitcoin halving. Place your stink bets and ride any liquidity surge that equity markets below. The BTC gave investors with flash last week when it fell from 69k to 60k 800. Roughly 80% decline from this month all-time high of 73,800k. The drop was fueled in part by outflows from the 11 new exchange traded funds ETFs for Bitcoin, a total of 836 million in funding left the funds between March 18 and 21, according to data. The new investors are getting cold feet. How likely are they to continue holding Bitcoin if the downdraw spiral continues? It is, after all, the first time that Bitcoin hit a new historic high before rather than after. It's halving, okay, scheduled to occur in April. So we are literally 24 days from the Bitcoin halving. It is a massive opportunity from both scenes. We asked 3 investors for some analysis and tips for trading today's market. Lucas Kelly, Chef Investor Office for Yield App, said, since the ETF launched, Bitcoin has been dancing to the equity market's beat. At specific moments in the day, liquidity surge and price action become inevitable. 4 p.m. in London, FX cryptocurrency funding reset line perfectly here. 9:30 a.m. in New York, US, cash equity markets open and the game begins. 5 p.m. London time, European trades head home while New York enjoy lunch. 4 p.m. in New York, US, the cash equity markets close, creating another opportunity. So we have 4 time frames to watch here. 4 p.m. London time, 9:30 a.m. New York time, 5 p.m. London time, and 4 p.m. New York stock time. Okay. Here we have the Bitcoin halving history data, and let's see what the next one will bring to us. These moments have been our golden hours for capturing big BTC moves and pocketing tides profit. But be aware, outside these windows, liquidity and price swings fun. Being the right payoff to big but a wrong move to be a catastrophe. Okay, so we have to be careful with trading the news and selling whatever we're doing. While the equity markets liquidity, my secret sauce are lightning fast momentum strategy. I buy weakness, I sell strength, and keep tight stops. The result is what I've outperformed Bitcoin by 10% this month. Michael Van Pope, CEO and founder of MN Trading Consultancy, say the recent decline in ETF investment was likely due to the latest Federal Reserve meeting. Market and institution trends to go risk off before the FOMC meetings. Additionally, the Bank of Japan has started increasing its interest rates, which hurt the risk of the market. That's normal. Ultimately, this event should not have any impact on the market at all. Powell was dovish on the economy outlook, through which risk on asset quick rally back to the upwards. Finally, it shouldn't be the case that current ETF buyers are momentum based. The first purchase of the ETF are likely going to be long time holders, but it could be that overall first glimpse interest in the ETF will decline over a time high Bitcoin rises. Okay, so that's his current tip. My advice would be content relatively, sorry guys, buy Bitcoin dips when you can get in for relatively low price. Use any Bitcoin price correction between 15 to 40% to accumulate for the next bull cycle. Chris Newhouse, DeFi analyst at Crobble Labs, said, I think people understand the vitality of the digital assets thanks to the past headlines. Anyone buying into ETF is doing it for exposed to the asset class. Today, buyers would do well to be cognizant if separating FOMO type of buying long-term demand. Understand that volatility will continue in the near term and ask yourself if you are buying into an ETF with plans to trade the volatility or if you are investing in the long-term narrative. If you are doing it for the former, get ready to actively focus on timing and momentum. If you are doing it for the later, remember, the dollar cost average is your friend. His current tip is I've been pretty actively placing stick bins for the weeks like this, in which we see weekly price action where dips are filled quickly and given historical activity around the halving, the recent demand of the institutional side and the retail demand for meme coins. It feels like there is a constant bid across all tokens from the majors to specific altcoins narrative. The market is in a buy the deep mode, and it feels like there is need to be some massive headwinds for the larger pullback occur. But now, though, this article is for general information purpose and is not intended to be and should not be taken as a legal investment advice, the viewers, those and opinions expressed here are the authors alone and do not necessarily reflect or represent the views and opinions of Cointelegraph. So none of this content is a financial advice, but we see here couple of different opinions when it comes to trading the Bitcoin halving. Today's cryptocurrency price by market cap, it is around 2.64 trillion. We had a 1.62% decrease over the last day. Okay, let's have a look on the top gainers and losers of today. The fear and greedy index, it's currently at 82. So people starting to get really greedy this moment. It is something else to watch. Top gainers and losers. Today, we saw a massive change here from dog with a hat and this kind of meme coins to Manto. MNT token currently trading at 1.34 has been up 45% 26 in the past 24 hours. Su, which is an incredible blockchain project, it is leading on a second place of top gainers today, currently trading at 2.06, has a movement of 14.40% on the past 24 hours. Fetch AI, again, AI projects are likely to explode this next bull run, and as soon as Bitcoin stops, everybody's going to inject money into the small coins. So you want to keep tracking AI and any AI token, any opportunity. Currently trading at 3.25, we have the movement of 10.73% from the past 24 hours. But of course, MNT is leading the moment today. We have Lito Coin over here. I honestly expect more for Lito Coin. It's not doing that much on my perspective, but anyways, it's up 6.02% on the past 24 hours, currently trading at 96.61. I believed more in Little Coin. I'm not saying anything against it, but I would definitely like to see Little Coin, performing at some point so we can keep tracking this asset as well. Whatever, make sure to do your own TA and take the right decisions. Dogecoin is at, a little bit down. I expect Dogecoin to move at least to $1 very shortly. So let's keep watching, at least on the top of the bull run. They have to hit at least $1. Come on. So the top losers today, It is the TCS token has been down 19% 0.02 on the past 24 hours. Okay, that is actually interesting to catch on. Currently trading at 11.64. So what you want to do, you want to buy these dips when we are on a bull market. So whatever is down 90% to 20%, it is an interesting, dip to enter. CFX token, it's also trading at 0.47 cents and it's down 11%. Floki, it is 8% 0.40 down. Casper is doing great as well. So this is something that we definitely want to track. It's been down 9.09%. Pepe seems to be, a little bit sideways. It's gone down 6.79%. Jupiter currently trading at 1.30 and is down 6.04%. Not many dips really. Bonk is still here. But guys, don't forget, these altcoins move crazy. So if you are trading these small coins with high leverage, please be careful and make sure you know what you're doing. By the way, Chainlink is an interesting project to keep tracking as well. So that's pretty much it for top gainers and losers. Okay. If you want to see the trending ones, even knowing that Pepe is down, Pepe is still on top of the trading coins under pets. We see a lot of new coins and new tokens into the market. So I just wanted to remind you, before you invest in any of those, be careful, because we also have AI coming massively into the bull run. So make sure to do your own research before investing on these meme coins on a long term, unless if you are just trading them, make the most, make profit for the bags and exit, because we don't know sometimes what could be real or not with artificial intelligence, and we expect massive meme coins to come into this market. So we just have to keep doing our own research. Make sure to go to the white paper, to the socials, to follow the community, see what's the people behind them. Okay, that's all I have to say about meme coins and altcoins. I hope you guys make the most of trading today, and let's keep watching Bitcoin. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to join Voice of Crypto Telegram and visit the website if you want to know everything about crypto. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.